Usi. Usi is a coconut game with me, Passy. It's good. It's okay. Oh, please. Don't suck. What are you doing?
Arish, Azariab, just wait. Baba will help you. Baba will just put the circle, this one, and then you will draw. Okay? Okay.
Thank you, Bob.
No. Okay, Azariab, finish, my beta. Okay, very good job.
Okay.
No, this is wrong. Wait, we will raise.
Bethe Balantas. So, okay, this is bingo. Oh, this is a very big one. This is the
Slowly.
Take your time.
Slowly, Azariab, take your time.
Okay, take time. My time.
Wait, Azariab, wait. Now do from other side. Very good.
See?
No.
Okay, I will check what is.
Very good, Azariab.
Very good, Azariab. See? She can do it. Excellent. Finish. Azariab, which circle is big? Yes. Which circle is small? Very good, Azariab. You are the best girl in the world. Azariab, which horse is small? Which horse is big? Very good, Azariab.
Medium.
Azariab, can you explain me about this one?
Okay.
Which one is big? Yes, this is big rooster. And the small? Well done, Azariab. Azariab.
I think for all with this.
Yes, today Zarya will explain about the farm animals.
Yeah.
So Zaryab, you have many animals there. Can you tell me which one is the farm animal?
Farm animal.
I find it.
This is farm animal. What's the name of this one? This is horse.
This is donkey.
This is not donkey. This is horse. What is this?
Oh.
Yes, this is the farm animal. Well done, Zaryab. Okay, show me the other animal. The farm animal. Yes, what is this?
Ducky.
Duck. Quack. This is also a farm animal. Okay, now show me the other animal, the farm animal. Don't show me the jungle animal. Show me the farm animal. Show me the other farm animal. Yes, this is the farm animal. What's the name of this animal? Chicken. Hen. Okay, who's the other farm animal? Yes, this is the farm animal. What's the name of this animal? Cow. Yes. Put there. Okay, show me the other farm animal. Check where is the other farm animal. Other farm animal. Okay. As per your Baba, camel is the farm animal. We will ask your teacher, okay? Just put there. Okay. Where is the other farm animal? Yes, this is the rooster. This is also a farm animal. Where is the other farm animal? Yes, the cat. Meow. Meow. Okay, put there, Zaryab. Where is the other farm animal? Yes, what is this, Zaryab? It's a goat. Yes, horse is also farm animal. Goat is also farm animal. Well done, Zaryab. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Very good. No, Zaryab teacher is very good. His teacher is not angry.
Okay, now stand up. Lazy.
Zaryab, can you show me where is 4? Show me 4. The 4. Where is 4? Show me. This is 4. Where is 1? Show me 1. This is 1. Zaryab, where is 3? 3. Very good, Zaryab. Zaryab, where is 2? Yes. Where is 5? Well done, Zaryab. Bye.
This is